Hey Glam Crew, it is your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. Today I will be sharing my experience swimming with the pigs in the Bahamas. I am at Rose Island. This is a smaller experience than the typical Exuma experience swimming with the pigs. This one I booked privately through Sand Dollar Beach Resort. I will include a screenshot with their information so you can book. I did not book this with Carnival Cruise Line, and they still owe me $299. Let me give you a little tip. If you have a problem on the ship, handle it before you get off. Once you get off the boat, customer service is going to be hard to get in touch with and handle things. All right? So this was a wonderful experience. It was very affordable, actually cheaper than what Carnival had, and it included drinks, all of that. They took good care of me and my child, and we were back to the boat in plenty of time. They gave plenty of information. They were friendly, not pushy. I enjoyed myself. Thank you for watching. This is the private island, I think Sun Moon Key? Sun Moon Key? I might be wrong, but somewhere I'll insert the names and everything we're going and doing. And my ticket included my child. Oh, somebody left their bag, but I didn't leave nothing on the boat. We might be coming back on a different boat. So watch where you're stepping, go this way. I got 2 tickets for rum punch. I can get 2 rum punch drinks and then another drink additional outside of my regular food and drink ticket. $115. So this deal is actually cheaper than Carnival. And Carnival said if you find a deal that is cheaper, they will reimburse you. But the gag, you have to, the price has to be posted publicly. So it has to be like, oh, swimming with the pigs including lunch, $115. This wasn't like a posted sale or price. And I didn't even haggle them down to get a cheaper price. She just seen that I was in distress and upset with a child about missing the excursion and how the Carnival people tried to sell me a ticket at $9.10. My receipt said $9.09. I bought it, and then at $9.15 they were leaving. How are y'all selling me a ticket at $9.09? Just to get off the boat, you have to take elevators down from like the 9th floor or whatever floor you want, walk across the boat, get to a different side, and then I have a child with me. So y'all giving me 6 minutes to get there, and I told her, I said, can you walkie-talkie down or call them and let them know that I'm coming with a child? She's like, yeah, they're gonna wait. We got there, there wasn't nobody there waiting for us. We asking around, looking crazy, running, walking fast. Wasn't nobody standing around waiting for us or anything. So that's when this tour lady found me. I was like, hey, what are you trying to do? And I told her I wanted to do whatever had the pigs. And she was like, I can do it for $115. I was like, for me and my child, or do I gotta buy his ticket separate? She was like, just tell him he's poor and he'll be free. And I was like, okay, girl. Thank you. And then they gave us our regular ticket for food and drink, plus 3 additional tickets for drinks and food, rum punch, lemonade, all the other stuff. You okay, buddy? Look at Buddy back here. I said, I know. Come on, baby. Yeah, he's running from the waves. Drink number 2. Wow, at least you got a beach stuff. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. It's carrots for the piggies. Go feed them some carrots.
Piggy!
Go feed the carrots to the piggies.
Piggy!
Okay, hold it tight because they're going to be trying to, they're going to be trying to grab it out your hand.
I'm just gonna hold them with one hand. I'm gonna hold it with one of my hands.
He's
If
fat.
you literally go like this, they'll stop.
This is like a hog, ain't it? Oh, let it They're cute. I don't got no more.
Yeah.
That's it.
Come on. on, Mom.
It wasn't hard. Now let me see you do it.
Good? Come on, buddy. Come on, let me teach you. Come on.
Aw, see, look. Uncle gonna show you.
Come on. Come on. See? Cheep, 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 cheep,
The big one gonna take over.
cheep. See the small one. Come on.
See?
Come on, girl.
Put it in his mouth.
Don't run, don't run.
Stop running.
Just let it go.
I'm gonna hold your hand.
Just let it go, all right?
Just drop it in his
See?
hand.
See the baby.
Just drop it in his hand.
Yeah,
See?
great. See,
He
don't
not
do
gonna
that.
get
There you
you.
go.
He just wants the carrot. Look. See? He wants the carrot. He just wants the carrot. See?
You good? Put it out. Put it out.
Wow,
Great.
you
Good.
did it. Yay. Here, Piggy. Right here. God damn.
There you go, nice.
Look. I know I didn't give you a lot. Back up.
Cheep, cheep. They're pregnant.
She pregnant? For real? Oh my goodness. Okay, come back.
See the belly? Look at the belly on there. See right there. See the belly?
Y'all was being grown.
Right now.
I'm gonna let you get some more. Look at you, big butt. Okay, get on. Look at this one trying to get on me. This one pooping. Look at that one. He just pooped. Look.
That's a sheep quality.
They poop. Big ass bird. So just gonna shit like that. Damn. Ugh. Oh, look at my son, y'all.
You don't like the waves.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, I don't want to drown you. I'm sorry. Aww. Aww. The boat ride back was a bit windy and could be a little chilly. I was lit though and not ready to go. I think that's the only thing I don't like about cruises, not being able to stay at my destination longer. Turtle sanctuary.
Main and population. All turtles here in the Bahamas are endangered species, so you can't catch them, you can't eat them. So they're endangered. You will get locked up if you even get found with a turtle paw in your possession. So, you spot a turtle, you look in the water, it looks like a rock that moves.
You see a turtle?
It's a turtle.
You see any turtle, Bubby?
You guys are free to walk about the boat.
Look, he put his head up. You see it? Mommy got it on camera.
Cameron, there's one swimming right
I got it on camera.
I see it.
Yeah. Yeah, he just popped his head back up. Aww. Hey, 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 hey. Y'all, I hate when I get lit and then it be time to go. That get on my nerves. Like, I want to stay and vibe. I need the vibe until the drinks wear off. I'm just getting started. I need the vibe, vibe, vibe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Slide to the right, to the left. That's good. Go, man. Back it up. Back it up. Yeah. Go ahead. Hey, Savannah. That's the cruise captain, y'all. Y'all, I made it back to the boat on time. I wanted so bad to be on YouTube as a fucking pier runner. They be having videos of the people running to catch their boats and they call pier runners. If you ever want to see funny videos of people running for their cruise ship, look for pier runners on YouTube. Come back. Come back. Because you cut in line. Go ahead. We only got our tickets ready. I wanted to run, y'all, so I could be on YouTube running.